to the Dollar Tree because I need something that I forgot and that Walmart doesn't have. I might need a beer though. This is $10, by the way. What is this? Please. Paano natin set up ang tent dito? Doon na lang. Holy, ang lamig, guys. Wow, may guys, may mga kapitbahay ako. Oh. Happy Pride. Beer. Tent. I'm here right now at Pug Lake. It's currently 9 degrees. I'm now setting up the tent and it took me a lot. Already 5, 6 p.m. Guys, sunset na. Hindi nyo lang alam. Lamig. Sobrang lamig. Nakapagod kasi hill itong site ko. Oliva! Survival. Holy shit, this... Thank you, Army. Thank you, Chelsea, last time. Kayo nag-set up nito, hindi ko alam paano. Ngayon, alam ko na siya. Next time, di ko na pag-gamitan. Ito na malaki. Yan ang view natin, guys. It's so pretty. Either way, they're both beautiful. Habang nag-i-inflate, open ko na yung sleeping bag. Nemo! I think I can sleep from here. Korean chicken. It's actually 4 degrees, 3 degrees Celsius. Sana hindi umulan. But anyways, this is my dinner. Hindi ko na alam kung ano itsura ko. Busog na ako. One last chicken. Ang lamig, guys. Buti na lang dinala ko to. For winter to eh. Ang lamig pa din. Ang lamig ng paa ko. Yung katawan ko warm na. Yung kamay ko malamig kasi nakalabas. Kailangan ko ng warm na socks next time. Mas malamig ata bukas ng gabi. Ngayon parang 2 degrees lang. Bukas 0 degrees Celsius. Yes, I can't sleep very well in this position. The floor is uneven. If I'm gonna move, I'm gonna roll to my right. And also, my back is now cold because of this airbed. And I just realized And I just did my research right now that I should have a good sleeping pad, like the high R value of sleeping pad. So now my sleeping bag is useless because I'm using an airbed. 7 a.m. 3 degrees. Let's go. Ang lamig. Nire-regret ko na po mag-camping. Nire-regret ko na po mag-camping ng gantong weather. Sobrang lamig. Pero nagpalit na ako. Ayoko na. Ay, magluluto muna pala ako. Oh my god, paano ako magluluto sa lagay na to? I'm gonna eat whatever's ready. But I need egg though. Just so you know, hindi ako magugutom dito. Noodles. Tomato, sausage, frozen rice. Tiramisu. Hot water. Egg. Utensils. Spoon and chopstick na nahulog ka sa ground. Green tea. Pot. Cooked rice. Frozen rice. I don't know if pwede pa yan. Holy shit, parang walang tubig. Kaya palang bilis. Can't see in the morning. Let's go. So I'm feeling much warmer now. Eggs. Yung garbage ko kagabi. Hindi ko siya naitapon kagabi kasi so scared to go out. And it's too cold to go out. Ay, putang ina. Oh my god, it's to be honest guys, okay lang pala mag-camp ng gantong weather. Ang lamig lang sobra. Ay, nahangin yung pepper. Let's add the rice. It's such a huge lifesaver. Buti na lang meron pa akong extra ganito. I didn't bring a tongue, so oil. Guys, kain po. Dami ng pinagdaanan ng tutok. Yung chopstick na to. Ba't bakit saan mag-chopstick? Let's see if uminit yung rice. Lumamig na agad yung rice. Ang ganda dun ha. If only you can see it. Pwede ko pa yung pakita. Hindi pala ako nag-hello sa neighborhood ko. Takot ako. Probably niya may katabi ako. Kasi kung walang katabi, feeling ko mas nakakatakot kasi every time na may gagalaw, mag-move, maririnig ako mag-move. Feeling ko walang hayop. May burble yan. Nature is calling. Nature is calling behind me. Literally, the nature is calling me to go to the washroom. Goodbye. So I'm at Boots Rock Trail at the moment. So this campsite, it's like 4 kilometers away from Highway 60. Like you really have to go inside, and then there's no cell signal here. I'm gonna ask someone. Hi, good morning.
How are you?
I have a question. Are you going to hike this trail? Do you know if I should still get like a daily pass?
Permit?
Yeah, I have a camp booked.
Oh, you have a camp?
Yeah.
You're at a campsite, you don't need one.
Okay.
I don't know how they
That's good.
know if they're coming around.
Yeah.
Because we don't display anything in the windshield. No, we're camping as well.
Okay.
So
I got
no,
mine printed just in case.
you got to print
Yeah.
it off. Yeah.
The reservation.
Your receipt. Yeah.
They told me they'd tell me your license plate.
Oh,
okay.
I see. Then
Yeah.
I'd look
Thank
it
you so much, guys.
Okay, bye.
Oh, wait. There's 10:24 a.m. I know it's late. Situation in the parking lot. Okay, okay. Wow. Parang hindi na lang ako mag-hike. Ito na lang. Ito na lang yung view ko. Very nice. Boots Rock Trail. So you actually need a daily vehicle permit, DVP. But in my case, I have a booked campsite. They don't have a booklet. Oh, okay. This is the booklet. My bad. Wait, let me get one more just in case. Let's see. They have a visitor, sign the visitor register. But I don't have a pen, so there's that. The trail is 5.1 kilometers starting point. The trail is long and rigorous. Oh my god, ang gulo naman na itong bag na to. Let's fix it first. Not very demure. The elevation is 75 meters. From 400 to 500 pala. Sabi pala nila, nalaman ko lang din, mating season, hindi, mating season ba yun? Yeah, mating season ngayon na big sabihin kapag minsan aggressive daw sila. Hindi mo alam na magiging aggressive. Mas aggressive sila kaysa sa the rest of the months. And then, yung birds din, bobox the winter season. So, same as moose, minsan mas nangangibabaw yung pagka-gutom nila. So, minsan hindi daw nila naririnig may tao. So, hindi ko alam kung ginamit nila yung word na aggress. Pero, if you ever encounter a bear daw, just say, "Hey bear," something like that. Para lumayo sila. Sa sobrang gutom, no, hindi mo na alam na may mga taong dumadaan. Usually kasi, black bears are just big raccoons. So, number 2 na tayo. Actually, number 1 pala yung, okay. Number 2. Of deer, men, and hemlocks. The shelter of these hemlocks is a good place to stop and think about deer, men, and hemlocks. 3 living things whose stories are very much interwoven in this part of the world. It comes as a grace of and huge patches of prime food before them. Oh, fuck. Okay. After this hike, I'm gonna go to the visitor center. Picture. Oh, chipmunk. Is that an animal? Kahoy lang pala. Say goodbye. We always have found Rose Pond Lake to be particularly intimate and enchanting. Sana walang ahas, please. Oh, okay. The elevation is elevating na. So this marks my day as first time to hike and hindi pala naka-play. Ay nako. So I feel right now. It's kind of refreshing. At first, the first time I booked this solo camp and solo hike is that I was feeling good. Like staying only live once. But then when it's near like the date, feeling kind of nervous because this is my first time. But right now, keep this as a learning process. This is my learning process. So, the next time I'm gonna do this again, then I should know. Guys, by the way, guys, I'm not doing uploads. Whew. So muddy. Big ass rocks. Guess I'm gonna just stop there. Bye. Tingin ako sa number 4. And then, papunta pa lang sa 5. Pero, holy shit, I guess ito yun, no? Wala pa ako sa 5. Pero putang na. Pagod na ako agad. Oh my goodness. Imagine mo yan, no? 5. Tapos, punta sa 7. What the fuck is that? I'm so tired. Okay. Later. And, oh my god. May nakita akong pamilya kanina. Like, they have like 3 kids. And then, mag-hike sila dito. Man, I can't do that. Imagine talaga mas likod yung baby. Lalaki ka. Kasi nanay. Nakakalagay din niya sa baby. Sa harap niya. Okay. Sa lagay na ito, pagod na ako sa lagay na ito, guys. Imagine mo yung pamilya namin. Tapos yung isang bata naglalakad. Tapos yung kakalagay din siya ng tatay. Sabi dalawa yung kakalagay yung anak. Okay. Malitang dinanan ka.
Wow, this is the best.
Wow. 오, 둘이 왜 저냐?
Nandito na pala tayo sa taas. Very nice. I can stay here up until like 30 minutes. Ayan, pabalik na po tayo. And then, mostly pababa na yun. Pabalik. So good luck to me. Wala akong tungkod. Next time, alam ko na. Bibili na ako ng tungkod, guys. Ang ganda. Shit. Kaso ang cloudy. Oh, 2.5 km pa more. Ito yung pinakamahirap actually para sa akin, yung pabalik, yung pababa. Okay pa yung elevation eh, pero yung pababa ang hirap. Nang talampakan ko na naman, loads. So, nadaanan na pala natin yung 5 kanina. Ko lang napansin. Pero ngayon, balik na tayo. Galing tayo ng 8. Pwede bang may stairs? Ay, may stairs! Okay, may stairs pala. Don't tell me walang stairs, man. Please, let there be stairs. I don't see any stairs here. Ang dami na palang tao kanina. Uy! Ang ganda din dito. Let me go there. Dito lagi natatapilok. Walang hike na hindi ako natatapilok. This should be worth it. Off trail to. Baba na to eh. Tara woohoo! Let's go! Ah! May kasabay na tayo. Wow. Wow. May kapre. Oh, bakit may balik? Baliktad ba ako?
Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Good morning.
Morning. Oh, finally, stairs. Let's go. There's a lot of people. Oh, that's why I get it now. That's why they chose this route instead of the other one. This one's easier. Easier. Fact that you don't have to like worry about your steps. This is easier to go back down. Must be so freaking nice. Oh yeah, they have cell service at the lookout point, but here I don't think they have cell service anymore. Oh, post number 9. There you are. We're here. We're gonna go to Barclay Estate. Saan kayo nagtayo nun? Ayan. Michael Budzowski. He taught us to love nature. Ah, so beautiful. In my eyes. May bench dito. Ayun o. Like nasa dulo siya ng lake. Ay, nasa dulo siya ng trail. Dito tayo. 10. 4.79 km. Malapit na tayo sa parking lot. Nakakita ko na actually. So, dahil malapit na tayo sa parking lot, I'd stay here for maybe an hour. I could just sit over there. Pero, I'm on a time constraint. Time consumable. Huh? Basta yan, like, ipit ako sa oras. I'm less in time. Huh? I don't have enough time. Tama, yan yung tama. Ayan. Baka ko pa pumunta sa visitor center after this. And then, go visitor center. Siguro sa shop, tingin ako ng mga gamit. Balik na ako sa campsite. And then, I'm gonna cook food, stuff for lunch. And then, I'm gonna do the salmon at night. Ayan. And then, ang dami kong food. Wait. Actually, sakto lang pala. Ang madami yung noodles kasi akala ko nakakaluto ako ng noodles. We're finally here at the parking lot. Total kilometers we hiked is 5.5. Including the post number 10. Say hi to the camera. Ang tao guys. Highway 60. Ayun. So, nagsasaing po tayo ngayon. Ayun, sa maliit na pot. Then, inisip ko pa kung isa-set up ko pa ba yung canopy ko. Pero, let's see the temperature. 10 degrees. Pero ang hangin guys, sobrang hangin. Lesson learned. Wag na magbubook ng mahangin unless summer. Ay, ng lakeside unless summer. Kasi ang hangin talaga sobrang lamig. Kung nandun lang siguro ako lang. Okay lang naman dun actually. Kung nandun lang siguro ako hindi mahangin dun. Dito sobrang hangin talaga. Pero naman din ng kamatis. Ay! The pre-cooked pasta. Ah. Boom. That's my food. So good. I also have the lime just in case. I did that. Basa yung kahoy. Or ano yan? Pine shit. Hello! Dito po tayo sa harap ng lake. Pug Lake, guys. I haven't seen a moose nor a bear since I was here. Oh, this is site 228. Let's see. This one is a big campsite. 2230 is small. This one is very good. It's very big. They have canoe rentals. Free campground deliveries. Daily delivery, July and August. That's I think this one is the day use area. This one is the beach area. Then mga canoe or kayak. I feel like dun ako somewhere over there. Guys, we are back to the campsite. Ang kalma na ng tubig. Ibig sabihin hindi na mahangin. I'm cooking salmon. Sana maluto. It's already 7:10 p.m. And buti na lang it's not windy anymore. Last night it was super windy that I just decided to stay at the tent, inside the tent, because it was so windy. But now it's better. It's much better. No. Guys, I think naluto siya, guys. Oh my god. Naluto ba? I think naluto naman. Let's open up. Okay, very good. Lemon overload. And then we have Parmesan cheese for the pasta. We love our Parmesan. See the temperature right now. 3.3 degrees. Guys, night 2. Last night ko na dito. Wow. It's so foggy. Oh. Hello. Lamig. Three jackets right now. One hoodie. Second is the North Face. And third is puffer jacket. Last day. Last breakfast. Sa camp. I have noodles. Spam. Garlic rice. Let's go. Bus na. Okay. Ngayon ko lang na-realize na nakapagod mag-clean up or like mag-pack up compare sa setting up. Kakatapos ko lang ayusin yung tent. Grabe nakakapagod. Figure out kung paano pagkakasyahin dyan. This was probably a lesson to me. I'm not gonna say that I'm gonna buy a new tent. I think that's one option, but I don't have money yet. Maybe in the future, but not now. Needed help when like packing up. Guys, I'm at the lookout point. Kami na. Grabe. Mas napagod ako dito kaysa sa kahapon. Yung daan, madali lang. Pero, puro pataas, te. In-speedrun ko lang. Kasi kailangan ko nang bumalik sa parking lot ng 2 PM. Kasi hanggang 2 lang yung parking. Speedrun. Kung pwede lang, tatakbo na ako dito. Okay, sana. Left to the right. Ito na naman. Madaling takbohin. Speedrun. Uy. Lapit na tayo. Teka. Ayan ang pababa. Ito ang pinakayaw sa lahat. Okay, bye. After ilang takbo, nakadating na din. Nice. Bababa na po tayo. Itong pinakaayaw ko sa lahat. Sana hindi tayo matapilok ulit. Please, please lang. Please, ayaw kong umuwi ng injured. Lalo na mag-isa ko pa. That's one reason why.